What if I told you that 2026 will be one of the most dramatic sky-watching years of the decade? A year when the sun disappears in broad daylight over Europe, the moon turns blood red for nearly an hour, supermoons loom so close they look unreal, meteor showers streak across moonless skies, and planets align in ways that won't repeat for years. This isn't science fiction. This is 2026. Tonight, we're traveling month by month through the most breathtaking astronomy events of the year, from eclipses and supermoons to planetary alignments and meteor storms. And if you stay until the end, you'll see the rarest celestial moment of 2026, the one most people won't even realize is happening. Let's begin. 2026 wastes no time. On January 3rd, the year begins with a supermoon, known as the wolf moon. Because the moon is near perigee, its closest point to Earth, it appears about 7% larger and 15% brighter than a normal full moon. Ancient cultures believed wolves howled louder under this moon, and when it rises low on the horizon, it can appear massive and golden, an optical illusion that never fails to stun. But there's more. On the same night, Jupiter shines nearby, creating a striking celestial pairing, perfect for binoculars or even the naked eye. Just days later, on January 10th, Jupiter reaches opposition, its closest and brightest point to Earth in 13 months. Through a telescope, cloud bands become crisp, the great red spot may be visible, and its 4 Galilean moons form a miniature solar system in motion. January sets the tone. 2026 is not a quiet year. On February 17th, the moon passes directly in front of the sun, but it doesn't fully cover it. Instead, the moon is slightly farther away, creating a glowing ring of fire in the sky. This annular solar eclipse is best seen from Antarctica, with partial views across South America and Africa. Even partial phases are dramatic, sunlight thins, shadows sharpen, and the world briefly feels off. Important reminder: never look directly at the sun without proper eclipse glasses. On March 2nd and 3rd, we experience one of 2026's biggest events, a total lunar eclipse, visible across North and South America, the Pacific, and East Asia. As Earth's shadow swallows the moon, it doesn't vanish, it turns deep red. This color comes from sunlight filtering through Earth's atmosphere, every sunrise and sunset on Earth projected onto the moon. Totality lasts 58 minutes, making it one of the longer eclipses of the decade. No equipment needed, no eye protection required. Just step outside and watch the moon transform. Spring may feel calmer, but it hides subtle wonders. Throughout April and May, Venus shines brilliantly after sunset, while Mars glows faintly red in the night sky, and Saturn rises before dawn. These aren't dramatic alignments, but honestly, they're perfect for casual sky watchers. Now, on May 31st, there's a rare double event, a blue moon, which is the second full moon in May. But here's the twist: it's also a micro-moon, meaning the moon is at its farthest point from Earth. Same moon, but opposite extremes. It's a reminder that even familiar objects can surprise us. Summer 2026 is where the sky truly goes wild. In August, one of the most famous meteor showers peaks under near-perfect conditions. We're talking warm nights, moonless skies, and up to 60 meteors per hour. These meteors are actually ancient debris from Comet Swift-Tuttle, burning up at 133,000 miles per hour. Every streak is a grain of dust older than civilization itself. This is the crown jewel of 2026. A total solar eclipse sweeps across the North Atlantic, Iceland, and northern Spain. For several minutes, day turns to night. The sun's corona becomes visible, stars appear, temperatures drop, and birds go silent. For Europe, this is the most significant eclipse in years, and one that many people will travel thousands of miles to witness. This is the kind of event people remember for the rest of their lives. Just weeks later, the moon is eclipsed again. This time, 93% covered. It's visible all across Europe, Africa, the Americas, and even over the Atlantic. The moon will look visibly bitten, and honestly, it's dramatic even without reaching full totality. Slow, bright fireballs dominate the sky during the Taurid meteor shower on November 4th and 5th. The Taurids are famous for their large meteors, sometimes lighting up entire landscapes. Then, on November 17th and 18th, the Leonids arrive, fast, sharp streaks of light, left behind by Comet Tempel-Tuttle. While this isn't a storm year, the Leonids are unpredictable, and, sometimes unpredictability is the real magic. December brings a grand finale. On December 13th and 14th, the Geminid meteor shower puts on a show, often called the best meteor shower of the year. Unlike most showers, Geminids actually come from an asteroid, not a comet, which makes them brighter, more colorful, and slower. Even if you're just a casual viewer, you can see dozens every hour. And then, on December 23rd, the cold moon supermoon rises. The year ends exactly how it began, with a supermoon. The cold moon appears larger and brighter than usual, closing out 2026 in perfect symmetry. Here's what most people won't notice. Throughout 2026, Earth continues drifting farther from the sun after perihelion. The moon slowly moves away from Earth, about 1.5 inches per year. Total solar eclipses like August won't last forever. One day, there will be no total solar eclipses at all. Which means, honestly, every eclipse you see is precious. 2026 isn't just a year of events, it's a reminder that the universe is alive, moving, and changing. And all you have to do is look up. If the universe amazed you tonight, if eclipses, supermoons, and meteor storms make you want to look up more often, tap like. It tells YouTube you want more science and nature content like this. Subscribe to Life and Nature Matters, where we explore the wonders of the universe, our planet, and the forces that shape life itself. And, hey, turn on notifications, because the sky never stops changing, and neither do we. Thanks for watching, and until next time, life and nature matters, because the universe matters, and so do you.